everyone, this is the presentation of Group 8.
Our topic was all about concurrent validity.
To fully understand construct validity, you must first understand construct. What is construct? What is construct? Are complex ideas formed by combining simpler ideas and often have a subjective element. Generally, construct can be considered as essential ingredients that make up theories. How we think about ideas, events, people, and things we are interested in. Construct help us understand and explain how and why things behave and react the way they do, and bring our theories to a place that we can understand, and explain how and why ultimately measure.
Construct validity is usually verified by comparing the test that measures similar qualities to see how highly correlated the two measures are. Is how when a test measures the theory, it is meant to be measured. Construct validity is how well a test measures the theory it is meant to measure. This concept has two related parts. Construct is an idea that has related parts based on a theory, but it is not a physical thing. Depression, anxiety, and stress are all psychological constructs. Construct validity is usually verified by comparing the test that measures similar qualities to see how highly correlated the two measures are. Is how when a test measures the theory, it is meant to be measured. Construct validity is how well a test measures the theory it is meant to measure. This concept has two related parts. Construct is an idea that has related parts based on a theory, but it is not a physical thing. Depression, anxiety, and stress are all psychological constructs. Also, it is valuable tool used primarily in social sciences, psychology, and education where there is a lot of subjectivity to concepts. These areas of study works with intangible attributes such as emotional states, abilities, characteristics, traits, or intelligence levels, properties not easily measurable or observable. Construct validity assesses whether the variables that you are testing for behave in a way to support your theory. This form of testing usually is verified by comparing the test to other similar test qualities to see how the two measures correlate.
There are two types of construct validity. The first one is convergent validity. Convergent validity refers to the degree to which two measurables of construct you theorize and are indeed related. You can analyze convergent validity by taking the results of another test that is designed to measure the same construct. Your test would have high convergent validity if the result has a strong positive correlation. And the next one is discriminant validity. Discriminant validity is when the two measures of unrelated constructs that should be unrelated are, in reality, unrelated. You get the result for discriminant validity in the same way as you do for convergent validity. With the both subtypes, you compare the result for different measures and assess whether they correlate.
The history. The emergence of construct validity. Imagine the difficulty of getting acceptance of a theory without a way to validate your experiments. Without the proper accepted validity, your theories would be unpublished and unaccepted. In 1940s, scientists were faced with the problem. They began testing and validating theories with different systematic approach, which led to confusion and lack of acceptance. No one had figured out a way to validate qualities of universality. During the mid-1950s, Paul Mell and Lee Cronbach developed the term construct validity in psychological tests. In this article, they proposed using a set of 3 steps to evaluate construct validity. The first one is the articulates a set of theoretical concepts. Second, develop way to measure the construct proposed by the original theory. And the third, test the theory empirically.
How do you measure construct validity? Construct validity may be used to assess a new measure or theory. A pilot can be used to test your ideas on a small sample, allowing you to discover an area of focus or tweak your data collection methods in a larger study. Example, if the researcher wants to evaluate respondents' happiness levels, the instrument construct validity would be the extent to which it assesses the respondents' levels of energy, positivity, and smiling as opposed to fretfulness, anger, and negativity.
That would be all. Thank you.